Welcome back to my channel, the channel where innovation meets the open road. If you're passionate about the future of travel and love seeing how compact mobility is being redefined, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and join us as we explore the wildest and smartest ideas on three wheels. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most clever microcampers to roll onto the scene, the TrikeNest Tricycle Camper. This is not your average trike, and it's certainly not your typical camper. TrikeNest is a game-changer, combining ultra-portability, minimalist camping, and sustainable travel into one compact design. Let's start with the basics. The TrikeNest is a pedal-powered camper tricycle designed for solo travelers or digital nomads who want the freedom of the road without the cost and bulk of a full-size RV. At first glance, it looks like a stylish cargo trike, but take a closer look and you'll see a beautifully engineered mobile shelter on three wheels. Constructed with a lightweight aluminum frame and a streamlined fiberglass camper pod, the TrikeNest balances durability with maneuverability. The tricycle base provides excellent stability on the road, while the camper shell is designed to protect you from the elements without weighing you down. It's aerodynamic, practical, and surprisingly spacious for a microcamper. Inside the camper pod, you'll find a cleverly designed sleeping space that transforms into a lounge area during the day. There's room to lie down comfortably, and with smart use of foldable components, it includes storage compartments for essentials like a sleeping bag, clothes, or even a compact cooking kit. The roof pops up to increase headroom, offering enough space to sit upright, read, or even work on a laptop. What's more impressive is the integrated solar setup. A flexible solar panel on the roof charges a small battery system, which powers LED lighting, USB charging ports, and even a tiny fan for ventilation. It's a great example of how off-grid technology can be scaled down to meet the needs of ultralight travelers. One of the best things about the TrikeNest is its sustainability. It's entirely human-powered, with optional electric assist for those longer journeys or hilly terrains. This means you can hit the road with zero emissions and no fuel costs. Whether you're exploring back roads, cycling through small towns, or setting up camp beside a lake, the TrikeNest keeps your travel footprint minimal. TrikeNest is also a conversation starter. Wherever you stop, expect people to come over, curious about this futuristic, mini-mobile camper. It's not just a means of travel, it's a lifestyle statement. It's perfect for eco-conscious adventurers, slow travelers, and anyone who wants to embrace simplicity and freedom without giving up comfort and safety. Now let's talk about practicality. The TrikeNest is small enough to ride on bike lanes and even some urban paths. It can be parked almost anywhere a regular bicycle can go. No campsites required, no RV hookups needed. And the entire unit weighs under 100 kilograms, making it easy to pedal even with a full load. The optional e-assist makes it even easier for longer distances or rougher roads. Of course, it's not for everyone. If you need room for a family, or you're looking for a full-size kitchen and bathroom on wheels, this won't be it. But for solo explorers, urban dwellers with a sense of adventure, or weekend warriors who just want to disconnect and go, TrikeNest hits the sweet spot between freedom, function, and fun. With the rising cost of travel and the growing interest in sustainable living, concepts like TrikeNest are becoming more than just novelties, they're solutions. They reflect a shift in how we think about mobility, space, and our relationship with the outdoors. That's it for today's feature on the TrikeNest Tricycle Camper. It's compact, smart, and designed for a future where less really is more. If you're someone who believes in adventure without excess, the TrikeNest might just be your next ride. Thanks for riding with us here at Autoverse. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of tricycle campers, hit that like button and drop a comment. Would you travel the country in something this compact? And don't forget to subscribe for more unique vehicles, eco-friendly travel gear, and the latest in micromobility tech. Until next time, keep pedaling forward.